Hi, welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to find live streams on Instagram. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To get started, open your Instagram app. Once inside, locate the plus button in the bottom corner on Choose Live. Proceed by clicking Continue and then confirming with 2 OK prompts. Now, tap the live button to start your live session. And now, to share this live video with yourself, tap the airplane icon in the bottom right corner, search for your name, select it, and hit send. After sending, conclude the live session by tapping the X button in the top right corner, confirming the end and discarding the video. Moving on to the next step, click on the messenger icon in the top right corner, navigate to your chat section, then choose watch more, and here you'll find a list of live videos from various accounts, and that's how you find live streams on Instagram. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.